So welcome back to my channel, Nail Nut, and today what I thought I would do is show you guys how I make an eggplant salad. Now this is a great appetizer that you can serve on bread, on crackers, or simply on its own without any kind of bread or anything. So I didn't film the first part of the video because I only thought of this like right now. And what I did was I preheated my oven to 450. And I have 4 eggplants here, and what I did is I poked the eggplants. You can either poke them with a knife or a fork. That way they don't pop in the oven. So there's a little bit of room for that steam to go. And I cooked them for about an hour until they're super soft. And you'll know because they start to deflate. I took them out of the oven, let them cool down, peeled off the skin, and I strained them in a strainer so we can get rid of some of that juice. Next, we're going to go ahead and cut these. This is the most simple, quickest salad that you can make, and it is really, really delicious. So, I'm going to show you guys the next step. Okay, I've let the eggplants drain for a little while, and next what you want to do is you want to chop them, but you do not want to use a metal object, so do not use a knife. I would suggest using a wooden type of tool to chop them, and I know that there are special wooden ones especially made for eggplants. So if you don't have that, then you can use a flat wooden spoon or a plastic spatula like I have here. And what you want to do is just start chopping it. That's basically it, and you want to basically just keep going. Once you've chopped it, you basically just want it into tiny little pieces like this. Okay, because it is a salad. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same exact process to the rest of them. Next, I'm going to go ahead and chop maybe about half an onion really, really finely. If you wanted to have a little bit more of a kick, you can chop an entire onion, but I'm just going to chop half of it and mix it into the bowl with the rest of the eggplant. Next, I'm going to add a little bit of vegetable oil, or you can put some olive oil, some salt for taste, and the last thing you want to add is a little bit of mayonnaise. And I'm just using this one by Best Foods, nothing special. Add a little bit. There you guys have it. This is your beautiful eggplant salad. I'm just going to transfer it into another bowl and it's ready to serve. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, subscribing, commenting. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Hit that little bell so you can get notified when I post new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.